In 2026, vintage-inspired baby showers are making a beautiful comeback. The retro, shabby chic theme blends delicate florals, lace textures, and soft pastel tones to create a charming celebration filled with timeless elegance.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the vintage shabby chic theme trending for baby showers in 2026? Vintage decor brings warmth, nostalgia, and romantic charm to celebrations. In 2026, parents are choosing softer, timeless themes that feel cozy and meaningful instead of overly bright party styles. Love vintage elegance? Like this if shabby chic wins. What party favors match the shabby chic theme? Mini candles, small floral bouquets, or lace-wrapped treats make lovely keepsakes. Thoughtful favors help guests remember the celebration. Favors chosen? Like this if thoughtful gifts win. What table decor fits a retro shabby chic theme? Lace table runners, vintage teacups, floral centerpieces, and delicate candles create a soft and elegant tablescape. These details make the table feel cozy and timeless. Table ready? Like this if vintage style excites you. What makes a shabby chic baby shower truly memorable? The combination of delicate decor, sentimental details, and cozy elegance creates a celebration that feels warm and timeless. Feeling the charm? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What dessert table ideas fit a retro baby shower? Serve cupcakes, macarons, and vintage-style cakes on tiered trays. Using porcelain, stands, and pastel desserts enhances the nostalgic atmosphere. Dessert table, ready? Like this if sweet details matter. What colors work best for a shabby chic baby shower? Soft blush pink, Dusty rose, cream, pale mint, and lavender create the perfect vintage. Palette. These muted tones feel gentle, romantic, and beautifully nostalgic. Palette chosen? Like this if soft pastels shine. What balloon decor works with a vintage theme? Balloon garlands in blush, cream, and dusty rose add softness while keeping the setup modern. Muted tones ensure the decor stays elegant. Balloon setup planned? Like this if soft clusters shine. What activities work for a vintage baby shower? Guests can write advice cards, decorate baby onesies, or share parenting memories. These meaningful activities match the sentimental theme. Activities planned? Like this, if heartfelt moments matter. How can vintage items be used as decorations? Old books, antique trays, porcelain dishes, and decorative frames add authentic character. Mixing vintage objects with florals creates a layered shabby chic look. Vintage pieces added? Like this if nostalgic details win. How can I make the vintage theme feel modern in 2026? Combine antique decor with minimalist styling and organic balloon shapes. This blend keeps the theme nostalgic while still looking fresh. Modern vintage approved? Like this if balance wins. Can this theme work indoors and outdoors? Yes. Gardens, patios, or cozy indoor spaces all complement vintage decor beautifully. Natural light enhances the soft pastel atmosphere. Location ready? Like this if flexible planning wins. How can I create a vintage-themed welcome area? Use a distressed wooden welcome sign with floral accents and lace details. Adding antique frames or small flower arrangements enhances the retro charm instantly. Entrance styled? Like this if first impressions matter. A vintage retro shabby chic baby shower in 2026 combines timeless beauty with heartfelt celebration. With soft colors, delicate decor, and meaningful details, you create a charming event filled with warmth and nostalgia. Loved these vintage baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more 2026. Celebration, inspiration.